Hello. So today I received this in the mail, so obviously it's another buy cheap video. Okay, let's start with the big one. And this one, yeah. So these are reflectants for my 3 watts LEDs. Okay, these are the 3 watts LEDs. Now these LEDs give a good light, but if you need to put like in a place like focus it, you need the reflectant, and this is a 60-degree reflectant that I just bought it from eBay because, well, they are extremely cheap. Now obviously the reflectant, it's just the part inside the transparent part. The black part that you see it outside, I think is like a bonus. Well, this actually it's stick to it, but normally this can be pushed out like this, and this sits on the LED like so, and reflects the light at the center angle that you want. This particular one, it's for this LED and reflects the light at a 60-degree angle. That means I think is I don't know if they are like 40 degrees, but this 60 is like this, and they have bigger angles. But 60 degrees, I felt like it's like a perfect angle for my application. Okay, so in order that this LED to rest perfectly on the reflectant like this, I need to make some cuts into the black part of this reflectant. That way I can solder some wires, and that way power the LED. Now, because I only have this one, I'm not going really to cut right now into the reflectant. I'm just going to put it like this, and it should do. Now, without the reflectant, this LED, the light of the LED is like this, and with the 60-degree reflectant goes like that. I don't really. And reflects the light like in a beam, like a flash, more like a flashlight. Now it's full day outside, and this is a 3 watts LED, and it runs at 3 watts, and this is the kind of beam that I'm looking for. So yeah, thumbs up for this one. Okay, so the next on the agenda, let's see, this one seems like heavy. And these are more banana plugs. Perfect. So I bought these because, well, I need it for my bench power supply. At first I bought another model of it, and obviously this is not like that. I hope it will have like a hole here, but it doesn't. So these are cheaper banana plugs. I mean, these are obviously cheaper that I bought before. Okay, I bought like 10 of them, 5 red, 5 black, and this is, I'm kind of disappointed with my decision in buying this. This doesn't really live quality of all. Okay, so before that I bought these ones, which outside had like one hole that I can plug things here and like squeeze it with the with the plastic thing, with the plastic nut, and I hope this will be the same, but obviously they are not, and they are flimsier and cheaper. They are smaller in size, like the one that I have, but I think that I can use this with no problem. I can put this like around here somewhere to use all my the linear power supply and alternative current exit plugs and something else. But if it will be to buy this, and next time I will definitely not buy this. This is a better choice. This is a much better choice. They are bigger, but this is a much better choice than this. For cheap things probably it will work, but for me and for long use, this is not really the choice that you want to make. But anyway, they are here. I'm gonna mount it on and see it from there. Okay, so the third one that I have here, well, this is pretty thin. Okay, so this is a TTL adapter for Arduino. I bought this a very long time ago because my Arduino, well, I didn't really achieve to connect my Arduino Pro Mini to the computer. I just bought, I think, the wrong kind of TTL adapters, and I just needed the one that I knew it would work, so I bought this one. At first look, well, looks okay. Let's see if it works. Okay, so in this moment I have a problem. I didn't really manage to program my Arduino Pro Mini with this programmer. It gives me this error here: AVDUD STK500 get sync, not in sync. I don't know what that is really. Well, right now I'm not gonna look for it, but the computer sends it, and it sends the presents on count 3, so the programmer should be okay. I'm sure I'm not doing something right, so yeah. Okay, so I brought the adapter from eBay, 6-pin USB 2.0 to TTL UART module serial converter CP2102 STC replaced for FT232 module. It was from US sale region, and it was like $155 and free shipping. Obviously some characteristics here: the size, the color, weight, using a new chip factory 2013, and with self-recovered fuse, with 3 LEDs, power indicator, data receptor indicator, data transmission indicator, work status, with 3.3 and 5 volts dual power output, pin LEDs to all sorts useful, with reset signal output, etc. Directory to Arduino board Pro Mini download. Okay, so support operating system Windows 98, Millennium, 2000 XP, and Windows 7. Doesn't say nothing about Windows 8, so probably that is the problem. I need to find some compatible hardware. Macintosh Future One USB, what they selling to you, and that's all. No, Future includes USB transceiver without external circuit device, includes a clock circuit, not external circuits, includes power on reset circuit, chip 3.3 volts voltage regulator output voltage can be meet the USB 2.0 specification requirements, suspend pin support USB suspend state, asynchronous serial data bus compatible with all handshake and modulation control interface signals, support data format in 8 data bits, 1 stub bit and 40 bits, continuation 512 bytes receiving buffer, and support hardware head syncing or X on X off. So yeah, this is the USB to TTL. I didn't really figure out right now how it works, but I'm sure it works, and I will try these days to start it on. See if it works or not, but I think it works. It's just something that I'm doing wrong. Okay, so next, the next thing that I received was the banana plugs. Okay, 5 pairs amplifier terminal connectors, binding post banana plug Jan mount. Okay, 5 pairs, that will be like 10 banana plugs. I paid 99 cents, so obviously the quality will not be like in the other ones, but anyway, it was from GNU and it was free shipping. Now some descriptions. Well, 5 banana plugs and nothing more. Anyway, these are the banana plugs that I received, and the other it was these reflectance, and I think I bought the 60-degree ones, and they have like model 30, 45, 60, 90 and 120 degree. I bought the 10 pieces color with the black holder, and I bought the 60-degree. That was 190 for 10 pieces. It was from Pampan supermarket, and it was free shipping. Now in my case was 60-degree LED lens for 1 watt, 3 watts, 5 watts high power LED with 20 millimeter black white hold. Now the black white hold, it refers at the black support that's around the LED. Now in the picture I'm seeing they are slightly different, and the edge here, let's see if they have a bigger picture down, and the edge, now on the edge here you will see like a claw that holds the reflector inside. Well, that is not present on the on my reflectance. It's just round, doesn't have that claw. I don't know if it appreciates in the video. Okay, now the claw, it's pretty obvious right now, and I don't have this claw here, and I don't have that on my reflectance. So they are slightly different, but it doesn't really that much of a problem. Okay, so this was all. Thanks for watching. Bye.